What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P5, aka P is for Pinot Grigio, and this is another episode of And Also. And on this episode of And Also, I got a pair of crepes that I need cleaning, so I thought I'd take you through the process. Let's get into it, guys. You know, so here's the process. Get yourself some newspaper. Ooh, lay that shit down, you know what I mean? Then get the offenders. Now, as you can see, I have this beautiful pair of Air Max 1 Pattas. As you can see, dirty. I wore these to a Wookiee DJ night. I shubsed in these and look, they're looking real dirty. So I thought, let me save these to the moment where I can record the clean, and this is where we're at right now. You see the dirt on there, you know what I'm saying? Okay, before I begin, I want to shout out my guy LENGJAI, don't know, mad love to you. Thank you for sending me some product, and it is that product that I will be using to clean the dirt off these bad boys. First and foremost, always take out the laces if you're doing a little clean. I know I'm preaching to the choir in some instances, but some of you may have never actually cleaned a pair of crepes before, so you know, this might be a nice little what shall I call it, instruction video for you, shall we say. So yeah, just going to take out these laces. Laces removed. You can drop the laces into a bowl of hot water, warm water with some detergent or whatever. Just leave them to soak there while you're doing what you're doing. I'm just going to put these to the side for now, but they will get their clean treatment. Let's take out the insoles. Of course, you see the insole, they'll need a clean, as you can see. What I'm going to do first, guys, is I'm just going to wipe down the shoe and then get it ready for the actual clean. So let's do that, guys. So here's some water I prepared earlier. Bang bang bang, boom. It was hot, but now it's lukewarm. I'm going to use a bit of torn up t-shirt, white, and then I'm going to do the wipe down. All right, let's get it, guys.
Body ride, pink phantom on a stroll through the city lights. This town pure gold, I'ma make it mine. Heading for the border, trying to make it for the morning light. I was up in the morning light, she was on the phone mad loud, damn shorty fine. Kick fools, water pools like polarized. Stick it to the man, then ghost like polar guys. Sit and roll the tie, please enjoy the ride. Smoke a lot of weed, jail for like 4 to 3. She was in a bag, oh what's it gonna be? Look at her bunny P, that's what she wanna be. Big bad chrome dust, what a hobby be. I was into still nice, slice an artery. And we can go all day, what's a clock to we? Seconds from the border, ain't a mile, 5 stopping we. P fire, I'm cool, she ain't. Pulled up to the van like whoa. BA, cold to the temple, she cold. BA, straight for the border like catch us in the pizzane.
So that is the initial wipe down completed. You can see a little bit cleaner, nothing crazy, but quite a big difference already, do you know what I mean? So now we're going to get into the actual full cleanup of these bad boys. Warm water, brush, again shout out my guy LENGJAI. Solution, this is already pre-mixed, which is really good. Spray direct onto the brush. Wet your brush first like so, spray.
Bathroom stores in the mirror like show signs that she's scared in the mirror light. Told her just pray with the chrome in the middle like stones in the middle like Mars in the middle like what's a hove in LA time? Pay phones making plans in the daytime. Put her in and watch her shine like it's game time. Heading for the border, got a call on the main line. Drive right to the bank. She's so zone drink and a lot of dank. I'm chill bum cold, she's his biggest fan. She was taking photos as we rolled up to the bank. Big man down, did too much. Put it slick and then we sipping on champagne. She wasn't affected like a star on a fan page. I was in all like the chickens on a rampage. What was your home like? Cold, right? Put a fool in a cone with the clothesline. Pool rank, set the tone right. No lies, put him in a headlock. Show us where the dough lie. Coats, phones in the stores, time to show right. What about the chrome that is pointing at your dome right? Goddamn, don't move, I'm a left fly. Show you I'm a villain like Capone. I was like, done with the plane, like, go get your office white. What you talking about? Run, what you talking about? I'ma let her run up on you fools in a minute, like, run up on these fools when I tell you set this place alight. P57, we gon' die a fire upon them. Watch it rise, let them all fry. Eyes on a better life. 4 hands on pounds, 2 pretty eyes. Chromes in the middle, like, pose for the video light. Bathroom stores in the mirror, like, show signs that she's scared in the mirror, like. Told her just pray with the chrome in the middle, like, stones in the middle, like, Mars in the middle, like. What's a hove in the late time?
Okay, beautiful people, here is the nicely cleaned version. This is about, I would say this is a 60% clean. Why? Because I haven't done the innards, I haven't done the tongue, and I haven't done that. I can actually wear these out without doing any of those, whereas before you saw the dirt that was there. I'll just show you a little before and after, as you can see here, and yeah, boom. Guys, let me know your thoughts, man. When was the last time you lot did a bit of a cleanup? So yeah, guys, this has been another episode of, and also I've been your boy, Phoenix the Fire Boy, aka P is for PATTA, and this has been Once We're Not Saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Yeah, and guys, I know it's some weird cut off angle, but I'm in a different location, as you can see, so that you can see the crepes rather than my bearded face. Yeah, guys, as usual, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. If you can see me, let me put my neck right there. Now my neck's in the shoes. Ooh. Anyway, guys, stay dope, stay fly. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace, gang. But